Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review and swatches on some new Bite Beauty lip products I recently purchased. I have the Agave lip tint, and this comes in 5 different shades. I have all 5 shades. I also have Starlit, Succulent, and last but not least, I have the Bite Beauty Midnight Mood set. If you would like to see how all of these new Bite Beauty lip products apply, please keep on watching. I'm gonna get right into the Agave lip tint tints, and these come in 5 different shades. They're all in the exact same package. Take the tin out. And this is like the size of the Bliss X that comes in the can. I would say this is about the same size, and this is the color of this one. Really nice. And these I would apply with my finger. in this set, you get 3 different pieces of items. In here you get the mini Agave plus weekly lip scrub, the mini exfoliating lip balm, and you also get the mini Agave times intense lip mask in here. And I'm not really gonna swatch these, I'm just gonna show you guys pretty much what's in here. This is the lip mask. It is a smaller size of the Bite Beauty lip mask. It is in a neutral shade. This is clear, it isn't colored at all. This is the lip scrub. The lip scrub is also clear. Well, it's a neutral color. This set is all neutral colors. And when you look into the lip scrub, it is I'm gonna swatch it for you still so you can see this one. It is like a scrub, super soft on the lips. I would use this for my dry lips, as I do have really dry lips. I have oily skin, but my lips get really dry, so I do love having lip scrubs. It takes the dead skin all smooth again. And this is sweet. It's like a sugar scrub almost. It feels really, really sweet on the lips. Both the same size, the lip scrub and the lip balm. And this is the lip mask. The lip balm is also a neutral. The standard size. I don't think these are mini lip balms. I think these are the standard size for lip balms. However, the lip mask is a mini size, as Bite Beauty do have a bigger size in this. Nevertheless, I purchased this set on sale from Sephora for $10. This is the Midnight Mood set. And in this set, you get the mini Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon trio. In this kit, you get 3 mini lip crayons. And these are the mini lip crayons in here in these 3 shades. And I am, of course, gonna swatch them for you. all of these Bite Beauty lip products swatched magnificently. Really beautiful. It's applied so soft. Everything applied so soft and creamy. The lip crayons are super soft on the lips. If you have dry lips like I do, I suggest you go out and get all of these products, as they are all wonderful for dry lips, especially it's winter time. If you're looking for a high color payoff, I would say the lip crayons from Bite Beauty are magnificent. As you see this red on my lip, this is the red from in this lip crayon, which is so beautiful. It's super lightweight on the lips. You don't feel like you're wearing anything with these Bite Beauty products, other than the fact that they all taste like your lips are sweet. But it's super lightweight. It's not uncomfortable at all. All of the lip products are not sticky at all. The lip scrub is super soft on the lips. I use that at night. I will use the lip crayons just about every chance I can, as this is really lovely. And may I also add, all of these Bite Beauty lip products are also 50% off right now at Sephora. So if you are next to a Sephora, definitely go out there. And if you do have dry lips, I would absolutely recommend all of these. These Agave lip tints, all applied lovely. They swatch beautiful. I would also recommend these if you're not looking for a rich color payoff, but you do want something that's moisturizing to your lips. These are all wonderful purchases. The lip tints, the lip trio, and the lip mask and scrub and balm set. So if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about any of these Bite Beauty products, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.